Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're doing a series on parables, and today's parable is about why we not fit have our people in our heart and we need to pardon them. Now we're on a mission because we want everybody who either speaks the Jamaican language or just understands the Jamaican language or loves and appreciates the Jamaican language to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language at least one time. So help we know. Here is how you can help us. First of all, click the like button. Then leave a comment below. And then share this with as many people as you can. And if you not do it yet, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified every time there is a new video posted, right? 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 18 from verse 21 to verse 35. Then Peter come say to him, say, Lord, how much time me fi pardon my brother or sister we do me something? All a 7 time? Jesus said to him, say, no even 7 time me I go tell you, but all a 77 time. Me I tell you that cause at this God kingdom coming like. It coming like one king where did one check off how much all his servant them did owe him. When the king did it a check off, then bring one man come where owe him how much million. No, cause the servant couldn't pay it back. The king ordered them to sell him and sell his wife and picnic too. Plus all we own, so he could have get back his money. The servant dropped on him knee in front of the king and beg him, do take time with me, sir. Give me some time and me will pay back everything. The king feels sorry for him and make him go on. And all when him did owe, the king say he not have to pay back nothing again. After him going now, that said servant there, see one next servant, we owe him one little bit of money when you think about how much him did owe the king. The servant grabbed the other one throat and start choke out in daylight. Him say, give me the money where you owe me. The other one, where one servant, just like him, drop on him knee and beg him to take time with me. Give me some time and we will pay back all of what me owe you. But he didn't take that. He said no and go fling the other servant in a prison till him pay him back everything. When other servant like him see what happen, them begs bad and go tell the king everything. So the king called the first servant and said to him, say, you wicked servant you, me pardon you how much million, cause you beg me. You mean say you couldn't take pity upon somebody where a servant just like a you, the same way owe me take pity upon you? And the king get vexed and give him to the prison guard them. For them torment him till him pay back every red cent where him did owe the king. I see him so. My Father in heaven will do uno if uno all up uno brother or sister them in our heart. and no pardon them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.